everyone, welcome and welcome back to my CVD Styles channel. In today's video guys, I'm jumping right into it. I'm doing an unboxing. This company sent over to me this beautiful bag guys. I'm in love with. If you've been watching me so far, you see I have so many video collab and unboxing for beautiful bag, but my favorite one are channels. So guys, I really love channel bags, so for some reason they're so beautiful. And guys, if you're on a budget and you're looking for the look for less, you can always check the description box down on below guys. As you can see the unboxing, when you open the box, I chose this one guys because I'm currently going to school, so I need like more tote bag to kind of large to put my notebooks. I have a small laptop and this one can fit in it perfectly guys. So not a laptop, I meant to say tablet. Okay guys, as you can see, there's a thank you note, and it has a bag that you can store it to prevent dirt. So I really love this, so whenever I'm not doing anything with it, so it's good to put it in this bag, so it's gonna protect it. And I really love everything about this bag guys because it's so nice, and the quality of the material is exactly the same as the other one because this one is a dupe version. So if you're looking for the look for less, this one can be a very good option for you. And guys, there are other styles and colors to choose from, but me, I prefer black. I have so many black bag guys, I can't even count them, but for some reason I love dressing in black and I love using black bags. So I'm starting to add colors into my collection, but as of for now I choose the black. But if you're looking for gold, white, other colors, they can be a good option. And this even have a authenticity they even have this bag just to show the authenticity of the bag. Alright guys, as you can see, when I wear this bag I look so expensive. And guys, if you want to look for less, like I said, check the description box that on below. If you would like to buy one of them or several of them, I will put the link in the description box down below and the comment section guys. It's easy for you to navigate if you're looking for a beautiful bag for less. And guys, like I said, they have so many colors to choose from. Me, I prefer black, this is my preference, and I have different styles, but guys, you can choose other color that you prefer. And I really like the black, the gold, and the quality of material. I'm gonna show you a closer look, so what you expect if you're buying yours. It's super nice. As you can see guys, there's no difference. The quality of the material it's crazy. I love it so much. So they have a back pocket, you can put your stuff, but me, I use this bag mostly for going to campus, and then just I look expensive, you know, and it's super nice. And then the quality material is very durable, so this will last me, I guess, for a long time, because as you can see, the handle, you can use it for whatever you prefer, but me, I just like it to use it to go to campus, put my tablet, and then just small notebooks, and you're good to go. So you don't have to break the bank if you don't want or if you cannot afford it, but this one is a great option. And as you can see, the inside of it, the authenticity is super nice. And guys, I'm telling you, there's no difference because you can see with your own eyes, the quality material is very nice. Nobody will know. Who's gonna know? No one will know. Don't forget to check the box down below if you are looking for something like this. And now it is some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, I do product review like today, Clean With Me DIY. If you're not new, you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. really love the bag, guys. If you're someone like me that want the look and don't want to spend too much money, this one is a good option for you. Don't forget to check the box down below in the comment section, so if you want to buy one like this. Inside the bag have 3 compartments that you can put your purse, any small item you don't want to lose. Okay guys, I really love how the bag is. If you don't like mine, you can choose other colors. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.